Ladies, hope you're doing well today. Welcome back to my channel. Well, I wanted to do, this is a quick recipe. I did a step before it, but I wanted to show you my shirt because I had to do a Cajun recipe, so I've been saving this shirt to do my Cajun recipe. It's bright pink. I love it. It's very bright though. Anyway, this is a shrimp dip recipe, and this came out of my mother's cookbook. It was my grandmother's recipe. So it's, the instructions are a little vague. It's a dash of this, and then you have to have shrimp juice. Anyway, we're just going to throw it in the food processor and then mix it until we like it. But I remember eating this as a child, and it is so delicious. So I hope you enjoy the recipe and the videos, and it shouldn't take long, so let's get started.
I'm going to use my little food processor. Now, the first step is, oh, well, by the way, I didn't even tell you guys, these shrimp came from Kroger. They came out of the seafood market. And they had a sale for shrimp for $5.77 a pound. Louisiana shrimp were $13.99 a pound, and they were beautiful. These are from Thailand, but they are beautiful also, and these are delicious. I think I'm going to get some more. But you need about 8 ounces of shrimp that are boiled in Cajun crab boil seasoning. You need that seasoning for this recipe. And you need 3 ounces of cream cheese. I might have to keep going back to my cookbook a little bit because I keep forgetting things lately. I don't know why. And you're going to need 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. I don't know if I say that right. This stuff right here. A dash of my grandmother always used. I call her my mama. Always used Tabasco, but I always use this. And it even calls for garlic juice, which I don't buy that anymore. So I'm going to put a little fresh garlic in. Little green onions, and we need a dash of chili powder. I'm going to put a dash of smoked paprika and a dash of lemon juice. And I'm also going to add a little green onions. And then you need a little shrimp juice where your shrimp boiled in. And they don't tell you how much in the recipe. So we're just going to kind of throw it in there and get the consistency we want. But these are so good. I was so impressed. I bought 2 pounds, so I have another pound, and I'm thinking about doing another recipe with them. I was going to try to do 2 in one video, but I've been so scatterbrained today, I'm barely getting around to 1. So let's just throw the shrimp in here. I know I hate to grind these beauties up, but I tasted some, and these are... Oh, and by the way, because I don't boil seafood that often, what I did was I seasoned my water. I put lemon in it, onion in it, garlic powder, and a tiny bit of extra salt. And I cooked some potatoes and corn in there to test the seasoning. And when I got the potatoes just right and the onions, then I decided to put my shrimp in. But this time I tested it before I threw my shrimp in. So let's move this out of the way. Hopefully everything fits in here. Let's add the cream cheese. This is just whipped cream cheese. I'm just going to try to spread it out. This is going to be a mess. I'm probably not, it says a dash of salt and pepper. It probably doesn't need salt, actually. I didn't measure this exactly. I'm just kind of guessing. So we're going to add a tablespoon of this. I don't know how to say that. I always say Worcestershire. Usually I don't even think about it. I just say it to you guys, and I don't even think about how I say it. But today I'm paranoid about how I say it.
I think you can say it any way that you want to. Say it any way that makes you happy. And support other people in their pronunciation of it. You know?
Yeah.
It's just a sauce. No need to get
It's
angry.
delicious, though. I know that. And it helps a lot of things. Okay. Try to throw that in there. I'm going to start off with just, this is a little piece of lemon, fresh lemon that I just used. I'm going to put in a little bit, half of it first, just to see. I'm going to add, it doesn't call for this, but I'm going to add a little green onion to mine. Because I love onion flavor. I was actually surprised it didn't call for any green onions. My hands are a little sticky now. Let me rinse my hands. Oh, let me show. Here's I ate some of them, but here's the other shrimp I have. I don't know if I'm going to do another recipe with them or just eat them because they're so good. You can eat them with a salad. No. So let's add just a dash of smoked paprika. And this one I think is just about empty. I don't want to put much because I don't want it to take over. So just a dash.
Are you done with this?
Yeah.
And this?
Not yet. I might need a little bit more lemon. Let's put a dash of chili powder. This is regular chili powder. I think just a couple of... And now we need a little shrimp juice. And I have no idea how much. So I'm just going to... This is a 2 tablespoons. So I'm just going to add that first. I know what consistency it should be. And I need a little spatula. I forgot to get that out of my drawer. Okay, let's check it. It looks pretty good right now, this consistency. Let me see. Let me give it a little taste. And it probably is better the next day after it chilled in the refrigerator. Mmm. Oh my goodness. It brings back so many memories. I can't believe it. I'm going to add... Actually, I'm trying to think if I want to add one more dash. I mean, just a little one. I like this taste. And just one more drop of lemon juice, and I think it's going to be perfect. And of course, you season it to your taste. I know one thing, I've dirtied so many dishes today. Okay, let's try it again. It's gonna thicken up when you chill it. Oh yeah, that's good. Okay, I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna serve it. Okay, here's some hot sauce I put on top because I forgot to add it. So I added a little. It's better when once it's chilled in the refrigerator a little while, but I'm gonna taste it now. And the shrimp are really good. It's very good. And it's so easy. All you have to do is boil the shrimp, but you have to boil the shrimp in that seasoning. It's so good. And it brings back so many memories. So I'm excited to eat it actually tomorrow because it'll be better. But I wanted to tell you that I've been experimenting lately. So I haven't posted a video, but I made catfish in the air fryer last night, and I battered it, and it came out delicious. So hopefully I'll be able to do that soon. I was very excited about that. So hopefully there's some good recipes coming soon. This is a little short one, but it's delicious. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you like these kind of recipes. I like to make all kinds of recipes. If you have any requests, let me know. And if I can make it, I'll make it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.